How's it going, guys? Just doing a quick video today on my gel blaster pistol. Picked this up just yesterday. It's the high Capa 4.3, and then there's the 5.1. This is the 4.3, the shorter version. Yeah, nice gun. It's made of metal. It's green gas powered. I'm using the Ultra Air, the gel blaster power gas, and today I'm shooting the Ozgel Ultra Elite bullets, and they're very hardened formula, and they're all in there ready to go. So what I got to do is, you grab the mag, pump some gas up in there. Still got some gel balls up in there, but I'll load some more in. Give it a few seconds, spray up in there. That should be heaps. Load a few more of these in. Slide this back. Grab the balls. Just put a few more in. Then we'll have a shoot. There we go. So we chuck her up on in there. Hammer goes back. Didn't shoot that one, should be primed now. Nice, direct hit. Missed that one. Shooting slightly to the right, I believe it's the wind today. Definitely not as accurate, probably because the wind. It's a bit windy today. But yeah, when she's out of bullets, she slides back like a real gun, and flick that like that. Mag comes out and you reload it. So yeah, I'll get a few more videos of her anyway. I'll put the camera up near the cans. And she's out of gas. That's it. Way more better shots there. We'll go check out the damage that's done to the cans. As you can tell, she definitely hits pretty hard. Not as hard as some, but does good. Cheers for watching, fellas.